Hi, I'm Josh Lambert, the Group Product Manager for the database team. And today I'll be talking about what we plan to deliver in the 13.4 release, which is scheduled to be released on September 22nd. The first thing we're working on is helping the package team to develop the database schema and migrations needed to partition the container registry database. This is a new database which we need in order to have online garbage collection and understanding of where the storage is going to for various projects and groups for the GitLab container registry. This is important for GitLab.com, but also provide critical insight to project administrators, group administrators, and instance administrators of self-managed as well. So it's a really important overall feature to deliver, the garbage collection and overall visibility of container images. And so we're helping to make sure that the database can scale and is set up for success on the first go around here. Next up, we want to also continuing the partitioning work that we went through with audit events and continue that with the events table. The events table is very large, but it performs a key action in that it tabulates or contains every action that a user takes. So when you look, for example, at your profile page, this series of events comes from the events table. And so it's getting quite large on some of our older, larger instances. And we want to make sure that it can continue to perform so we don't have to trim it or drop some of that content, which would be unfortunate. So we are working on that in 13.4 to partition it so we don't have to, and it can continue to perform and continue to scale. We have a few other stretch goals around generalized partitioning work and also some ongoing maintenance concerns. But in general, we're focused on those two primary things, and also with the goal of enabling and building a documentation so that the rest of the GitLab development community can also implement partitioning on their tables without the database group doing it themselves. So in other words, enabling them to be self-sufficient, and we can then go focus on other things other than partitioning because we'll have laid the groundwork, foundation, and documentation on how to achieve this. So that is what we're working on in 13.4. Again, hoping to primarily provide better visibility into the container registry by assisting that team with their database schema and overall partitioning design. And then, of course, also helping to scale the rest of the GitLab database. So thank you so much. And we'll talk to you again on 13.5 next month.